waiting?
Yes. Come on.
I said you could come.
No, she didn't.
You got me a dump truck?
I didn't get you anything.
Oh.
The Easter Bunny got it for you.
And Ken.
Another dump truck looks like.
And then Pete.
Yeah, what color?
Blue.
It's kind of
Giant.
And then I got a rabbit.
very nice.
Why
What
are
else did you
throwing
get?
it?
What did I get in it? Oh, jelly beans! More jelly beans! Jelly beans. Jelly beans. And more jelly beans. A bunny duck. And a duck. Candy. Candy. Mr. Evil Pork Chop. And
Dr.
Woody.
Evil Pork.
And more! Yay.
What's those in here?
Gloves.
For what?
Baseball gloves.
Oh,
What's in it?
what is it?
A dump truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you should run on one of them.
Don't know.
What's JJ?
Bubblehead candy.
No, what is it that you always wanted?
Looks like Pez.
As
So, what do you think that is? All three of them.
Pez.
There you go. Aren't you excited about that? It's floating around the
I
house.
see eggs everywhere.
Eggs. I see one. I see one.
Get the eggs out.
Looks like a real egg.
It is.
Don't break it.